Oh, I'm glad to see you again. We're still working on the TH sound. Last week we started with TH. This is more so you get more practice because it is a difficult sound. So we need lots of practice on this one. Just as a reminder, making the TH sound is you place your tongue between your teeth. And your tongue will actually stick through your upper teeth and your lower teeth. You just have to get used to that feeling. For a voiceless TH, you push the air through. Thank, think. For a voice sound, you add some voice and vibration. These, them. Don't use the F sound like whiff or thank. That's not correct. That's an F sound, not a TH sound. So let's practice those TH sounds we learned about last week. Give you some more time to get a little more proficient at that. Here I've got some sentences for us to practice. I'll say them. You try to repeat with me. Repeat after and say the correct TH sound. These are a lot of TH sounds in these sentences, so they'll be a good test for you. This thick book is for those 3 students. Number 2, that tree is thick enough to be throwing seeds. And by the way, I love the araucaria trees. They're so beautiful. We don't have those in the United States. Number 3, they lost their 3rd math contest. Number 4, thank you for the thoughtful gift. Number 5, those 3 dogs ran through the neighborhood. And number 6, with this sentence, we think we are through with the TH sound. I'm sure you're tired of practicing the TH sound. Here's some fill in the blanks, again, where you're using it in context. So here are some sentences. You fill in with one of these words, and then we'll come back and practice those sentences. For example, number 1, his thumb got shut in the door. Pause your video, fill in the blanks, and then come back and we'll look at these sentences. All right, I hope you were able to pick the right TH word. Number 1, his thumb got shut in the door. Number 2, this car is very nice. I want to buy 3 shirts. Number 4, they were happy with the birth of their daughter. Number 5, those books are very thick. Addition and subtraction are functions of math. The boy asked his mother to bring his lunch. And finally, number 8, thinking about the TH, the pronunciation of TH is making me tired. Let's review these words. Thumb. Repeat. This. 3. They. With. The. Birth. Their. Those. Thick. Math. The. Mother. Thinking. The. Good work today. Thanks for joining me. Remember, there are spiritual principles to learning a language. Pray for help, act in faith on your goals that you've set, and write in English in a journal. I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming.